that too much to ask for? If this is life and life's not fair, then what's left here to live for? Waking up is hard to do, much harder than it used to. And going out is not the same. And tell me what it's come to. Tell me what I should do. Live for me, live for you and you. You always could reason why you cry. And I know a time or two I threw away some things I could have had in you. You could always reason why you cried. And I could move a mountain. I never promised you the white skies are blue. I never promised